Animal world is truly wonderful. Let's go on a journey to explore them. The hooded pitta is a passerine bird in the family Pittidae. It is common in eastern and southeastern Asia and maritime Southeast Asia, where it lives in several types of forests as well as on plantations and other cultivated areas. It is a green bird with a black head and chestnut crown. It forages on the ground for insects and their larvae and also eats berries. It breeds between February and August, the pair being strongly territorial and building their nest on the ground. Incubation and care of the fledglings is done by both parents. The bird has a wide range, and the International Union for Conservation of Nature has assessed its conservation status as being of least concern. Hooded pittas can reach a length of 16 to 19 centimeters and a weight of 42 to 70 grams. It has a black head, chestnut crown, and green body and wings. Its diet consists of various insects, including their larvae, which they hunt on the ground, and berries. In the breeding period, which lasts from February to August, they build nests on the ground. Both parents take care of the eggs and the fledglings. They are highly territorial, and their fluty double-noted whistle calls can be constantly heard from their territories, sometimes throughout the nights. The International Union for Conservation of Nature is concerned in particular about the ongoing loss of habitat that this bird suffers, which is reducing its numbers, but has rated it as being a least concerned species because the rate of population decline is insufficient to warrant a threatened category. In captivity, hooded pittas mix well with other species, although they may be aggressive toward other pittas when breeding. In London Zoo, they are kept in a large walk-through aviary in the restored Blackburn Pavilion birdhouse, while at the Durrell Wildlife Park they are in a large walk-through exhibit with birds such as Palawan peacock pheasants and white-rumped shamas. I just hope it was a marvelous journey. Thank you for your interest in wildlife. See you pretty soon. Till then, take care and be safe.